This video is targeted at advanced developers who are building mobile applications to run on devices where memory is a concern and where the application, where the parent UX component opens multiple child UX components. And the video talks about how you can destroy the child component when you no longer need it to conserve memory. So you can see we have a very simple UX component over here that has a panel card, and if we look inside the DOM using Firebug, we can see that there's the dialog object and there's the panel object for the current component. Then you can see that if I go now and click on this button over here to open a child component, we've now opened a child component. And if we go back and look at the DOM, we can see that in the DOM now we have two objects. We have the dialog object, this is the parent object, and now we also have the child object, and the child object is called child1 underbar DLG OBJ, because when we specified the definition of the button that opens up the child component, you can see here that in this button definition we explicitly set the alias of the child component to be child1. So now we can see that we also have a button over here on the parent called destroy child, and if we look now we can see that this is calling a method of the parent object called destroy child component, and then there's the alias of the child component. So this method then will now go and destroy the child component that had previously been created. So if we go back to Firebug over here and examine this, we can see that currently we're seeing both the child component and the parent component. But if we go back to the parent component and now we click the destroy child button over here, we can see that the child component has been destroyed now. So the memory that was consumed by that child component that is no longer visible has been recovered. So the ability to delete unused child components after you've finished using them allows you to manage memory in the browser a little bit more efficiently. Thanks very much for watching.